I'm outie. Well, hang on. I got you. Her face is all morphed. Ew. That's grody. That's gross. Okay. Oh, I have to go all the way back to the elevator. You suck. Just run. Just run. Hi, Dolly. How are you? Not great. Well, me neither, buddy. But, you know, fuck you. Oh, God. I didn't know where that was going. Oh, I'm supposed to go. Supposed to go. Go, go, go. Go, go, gadget, go. Go, go, gadget, go. She's not chasing me? God. She's not chasing me no more? She's chasing me now. Oh, I can't jump. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hi, how are you? Am I supposed to go into a hidey hole up there? I'm supposed to go towards her. Got it. Goody, goody, gumdrops. Just what I was hoping for, actually. Or did I go the wrong way? That's a wonder. But I can't go that way. Going in the vent. Okay. And now where? Oh, here? You got it, boss. Nice! Oh no, where'd she go? Oh no! Can't go out that way. work before because it wasn't right. Okay. I got it. Move. Wait, what? Wait, what? What do I do now? Ooh. Oh. Bye, bitch. Oh my god. Okay. That sucked. No shaking of elevator.
Hello, employee. From the bottom of our hearts, Ed and I apologize for all the elevator problems. So there is some good news and some less good news.
Less good news.
The good news is that you can make repairs from inside the elevator. You don't have to wait around until someone notices that it's stuck and fixes it. The less good news is that you won't have the lives of your fellow employees weighing on your conscience if things take a downward turn. Because you're in the elevator as well, which is still good, but less good. You can fix it as a team, and no one person is to blame. Okay, let's just hop right in. Ready to take the plunge? Great.
No.
Make sure now turn the elevator off.
Off.
Next, rebalance the elevator. That's it? No details?
Okay. Is this her doing? Dolly's doing? What do I do now? It's on. Did I just kill myself? That's not funny. That's not funny. It's serious. That's serious work right there.
Hello,
Can't help
employee. From the bottom of our hearts, Ed and I apologize for all the elevator problems. So there is some good news and some less good news.
Less good news is not good news.
The good news is that you can make repairs from inside the elevator.
Great.
You don't have to wait around until someone notices that it's stuck and fixes it. The less good news is that you won't have the lives of your fellow employees weighing on your conscience if things take a downward turn. Because you're in the elevator as well, which is still good, but less good.
Less good.
You can fix it as a team, and no one person is to blame. Okay, let's just hop right in. Ready to take the plunge? Great. Make sure the emergency brake is engaged. Now, turn the elevator off. Next, rebalance the elevator. That's it? No details? When the rebalancing is complete, open the elevator doors.
Open the elevator doors? Okay.
Press the Open Maintenance Hatch button. Okay, start the diagnostics routine by inputting the following code. 4, 1, 3, 2,
4, 1.
I hope that worked. You are now safe to close everything up.
Close the hatch door. Close this.
Turn on the elevator and disengage the emergency brake.
On the elevator. Disengage. Got it. I did it. Anyway.
late in the elevator. I'm not here to shame. Just trying to help you fix the lift.
Wait, are you?
Now, let me check. So disorganized. If you're personally worried about weight issues, I suggest a good diet and exercise.
Stop calling me fat! I got a robot on my
I'm
ass!
surprised at how it soaks in flavors.
This is not
As for the
helpful!
elevator, it's just a bunch of Ed's chicken scratches. Well, it can't be that different from the other elevator instructions, so let's give it a shot. I remember you're supposed to use the emergency brake, then the turn.
Oh, emergency brake! I remembered it too late. I can barely hear her, by the way. Just to clarify, I might need to turn up the voice volume because I cannot hear her to save my life. Not over the clanking of the robot banging on my doors, trying to get me killed.
Once you've figured that part out, power on the elevator, disengage the emergency brake.
There. What do I do about that? But what do I do about that? Oh. Oh, I see. I see. Also, did we also see the thing hop out right before it hit something? No? It made a sound, it popped, and then whoop, hit the ceiling? No? No? Just me? Okay. Got it. Good. Goody goody. Freaking gumdrops. That took much longer than I wanted it to. Where the hell am I? And can I ride one? Because I want it. I want to ride one so bad. Storage. Is that where I am? Return to the recycling center. Grody. I don't know how to get out of here. I'm stuck. I'm lost for all eternity. How will I ever escape? I actually don't fucking know. Hey, where am I supposed to go? Huh? Huh? Do I have to get up on that? Maybe? Maybe. I can't jump, so that's out of the question. Oh wait, do I just gotta go to the door? Yeah, I thought as much. For David's special day? So that's just straight up Mimic talking to me. Good to know, thanks.
If you can hear me. Arnold, can you hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you. Hey, it's 3 a.m.
Finally, you have access to the admin wing. That's where Murray's office is located. And
Goody,
most
goody.
importantly, the schematics.
I
The
don't
best
want
way
them.
to the admin wing
I
is
want the
through the
exit.
warehouse. That's the big room you've been standing in front of all night. You can see it through that window. Guess you should have gone there first. But hindsight is 20/20, right? As always, try to keep quiet and don't draw attention to yourself. Do that, and I'm positive nothing else bad is going to happen to you. Until the next time something else bad happens to you.
Thanks. You're really just helping me out here so much. You're kind of a dick, you know that? Whatever. Whatever, dude. I don't even want to be here. I don't want to be here. I don't like it. Creator. I can go in here. Oh, I already went in here. That's right. Wait, what's walking around here then? Who said bake stuff for David's special day? Who's running around in here then? Who's the enemy of choice? I guess it's any of them. Am I like freaking out? That's wild. Straight up wild. We're doing that. All right, who's gonna be the thing today? But I want it so bad. I think the scariest thing is the thing I can't see in here. Wait, returns. No, ma'am. Damn, why not? Dude, relax. Can I play the films in here? Also.
What the hell was that? They treat me like some contractor to crack a whip at. Oh, Fiona was right. They don't think of me as a friend anymore. This is the last project I ever do for them.
For who? That was weird. Didn't approve of that. Wait. Rodney. I don't know who Rodney is. Why'd the lights get all weird in here? Not approve. I did not approve. Not approve, in fact. I did not like. Wait, the thing. The other thing. This thing. And here. A yoink. Still don't know why this is existing. The way it is. The way it is. Oh yeah, no, that's the ones with the parachute. Okay, got it. Got it. Can I put it in here? No? Okay, I guess I'll put it in the collectible. Collectible. Oh, collectible. I almost forgot about it too. I bet I've missed a couple of them. I don't know how many there are. I just know they exist. I also just didn't know where they belonged. Getting paranoid again. I don't like the breathing in my ears. I do not approve. It just so turns out I don't like that. Where's the thing? I swear there was a box over here, like the inventory thing. No? Was there not one of those over here? Do I have to go back in here just to put this thing away? Well, that sucks. I have to risk it all. Just to put a thing away. That's booty stank. There you go. There we go. Boink. Bye. Nice knowing you. Okay, now I'm leaving. Okay, whatever, I'm leaving. Warehouse. This way. I really don't think there's anything else I can do. Other than follow its lead, I guess. Oh, nice. Rocktopus, you're here. How lovely. Oh. Was I supposed to do that? Probably not. Nice. Oh, I guess I gotta put it in there. Whatever, dude. Helper. Access admin wing through warehouse. Can I still run this? Yep, still have nothing. Pre-box. Oh! Party box got Chica in it. Be the worst time to press this button. Do I need this? Probably. So wait, then Chica was also a origin from here. Haha. You can't get me in here. But that means that Chica was also made here. Like her original design and everything. I love that. That's cute. Boop its snoot. Boink. Hey, look, a lever. Boink. Guess I should probably leave. My bad.
This is better than ice cream.
Play to win.
Huh. You don't really have voice lines, do you? Odd. What happens if I get jump scared by you? I'm running, 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 and running, running. How many different ways can one go? That actually scared the shit out of me.
Can I accidentally walk her in that one cage area?
Probably not. It would be really hard to do.
Trolley time! Can I go on the trolley? I can see it up there.
Alright, I heard she was close, so I didn't want to fuck around and find out here. Because I'm not safe over here. Yes, I would love to be. Oh, there she go. Bye, Chica. Thought she was stuck. It's happened before. Kind of a few times, actually. Nope. Not allowed. Not allowed, Chica. Don't rumble at me, motherfucker. Okay, so I have to find the pieces. I gotta find pieces. Got it. I gotta find pieces. Got it. Uh-huh. Alright, too close. I'm not made up. There's 3. I have 1 already, because I knew where one of them was, because I was digging around the first time. I think one's from this lever. And then I don't know where the last one's gonna be. So. This is a really big area, though. Ooh. And she's not... overly fast either. Maybe she is, and I'm just too good at this game. I don't know. I feel good at games for once. Okay, let me feel good about it. we don't count the time whenever the minute glitched out and got stuck for a full on minute, but that's not the point. There she is. So like this does prove it that this dude made all of these. Oh hi. Can you leave, please? Thanks. Right, like this proves that this dude made all of this shit, right? Oh, there's a trolley. I can't go in the trolley. I was joking about the trolley, but you know, thanks. Are you on the other side of the gate? If she sees me from the other side of the gate, is she gonna go around? Yeah, she would, because yeah, never mind. I've seen that happen. They do go around. Can you please leave? Don't grumble at me. I don't approve. I'm gonna just speed that up and see if she's saying anything. I don't know if she is though. But if you speed up the the voices or like the sounds of the ones in like the normal mascots, like the elephant, the mushroom and all those guys, it sounds like they're saying. Can I go in here with it? I can. Okay, good. Goody gimmers. I don't like this area. But if you speed up what the sounds that they make, they say things. Now, I don't think there are any like secret-y things, but like one was playing. What was he playing? What was the game he was playing? It was hot and cold, like, you know, whatever. You're looking for somebody. Your friend says you're getting warmer, or you're ice cold. He was playing that game with himself, which I thought was weird, but cool. Nonetheless, where the fuck is she? Anyway, yeah, I thought that was cool. But sometimes they say things like, I smell something, and it's usually when they're right next to you. And I thought that was so cool. I found that. I'm proud of myself. Oh god, I gotta move. This is the wrong way, but I do need to do this anyway, so. Might as well, right? I have to put down the piece for a second. I don't know, I think I'll be able to do it. Okay. Can you please leave? Get out of here. Making this so unnecessarily hard for no reason. That's not fair. It goes back to normal. After so long of not using it, it undoes what I do. Brick. not realize how close she was to me. Okay. Huh. I think I have a plan. I can't. Huh. Once they're open, you can't close them. Huh. I mean, good to know, I guess. It's not even on though. That wouldn't work. I think something's wrong. Because that wouldn't work. Do I have to like... Do I have to move with it? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. like I'm on the right track with this one. So she does have a pattern. I'm close. I know. I think it's like this. I think I know what that is. You ever struggled with one of these for sure? I think that's right. I think I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it. does though, Freddy. Okay, hang on. Let's get a second. Let me see here for a minute. What I'm doing. Access admin wing through warehouse. I have to go through the warehouse. You don't see nothing. You're blind, Chikachi. You're so blind.